Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best built-in coffee machines you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best built-in coffee machines on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which built-in coffee machines are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Breville Best 870 XL Espresso Machine. If you're a very particular coffee lover who likes to have control over the way your drinks are made, this is for you. The Barista Pro allows you to choose from 30 different grind sizes and 5 temperatures. It also comes with 2 filter baskets, pre-ground coffee and whole beans. We recommend playing around with the settings, starting with what's in between the defaults. It'll give an idea of how much customization will be needed. The Breville Barista Express delivers third-wave specialty coffee at home using the 4 keys formula, and is part of the Barista series that offers all-in-one espresso machines with integrated grinder to go from beans to espresso in under 1 minute. Integrated precision conical burr grinder grinds on demand to deliver the right amount of freshly ground coffee directly into the portafilter for your preferred taste with any roast of bean. Low pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure at the start and helps ensure all the flavors are drawn out evenly during the extraction for a balanced tasting cup. The powerful steam wand performance allows you to hand texture microfoam milk that enhances flavor and enables creation of latte art. For details, let's watch more. Our second best built-in coffee machines is Keurig K-Cafe Coffee Maker. If you're looking for a Keurig upgrade, a special gift, or the option to froth milk with a capsule machine, look no further than the Keurig K-Cafe. Use any K-Cup pod to brew coffee, or make delicious lattes and cappuccinos. Just insert any K-Cup pod and use the button controls to brew delicious coffee, or make hot or iced lattes and cappuccinos. Allows you to brew 6 cups before having to refill, saving you time and simplifying your morning routine. Removable reservoir makes refilling easy. Your coffee maker heats, then brews in one simple process. No need to wait for it to heat before selecting your cup size. Programmable auto-off feature automatically turns your brewer off 2 hours after the last brew for energy savings. Accommodates travel mugs up to 7.2 inch tall and is top rack dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Philips Automatic Espresso Machine. The automatic LatteGo espresso machine from Philips has a large, intuitive touchscreen control panel that makes it easy to select and brew drinks. Easily make aromatic coffee varieties like espresso, coffee, cappuccino and latte macchiato at the touch of a button. LatteGo tops milk varieties with silky smooth froth, is easy to set up and can be cleaned in as little as 15 seconds. Enjoy your favorite coffees for your special moments. Whether you crave for an espresso, a coffee or a milk-based recipe, Your fully automatic espresso machine delivers a perfect in-cup result with no hassle and in no time. Top your coffee off with a silky smooth layer of milk froth. The LatteGo mixes milk and air at high speed in the round frothing chamber, then adds a splash-free, creamy layer of milk froth to your cup at just the right temperature. Adjust the strength and quantity of your beverage with the My Coffee Choice menu. Easily choose from 3 different settings to suit your preferences. Its durable ceramic grinders can be adjusted in 12 steps, so you can turn your beans into anything from ultrafine powder to coarse grindings. Our grinders are 100% pure ceramic, extremely hard and precise, so you can enjoy fresh aromatic coffee, for at least 20.000 cups. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Nespresso BEC220BLK Mini Espresso Machine. The newest and smallest ever single-serve espresso maker from Nespresso by Breville, without compromising on exceptional coffee and espresso moments. This compact espresso machine is effortlessly portable and features a sleek design and modern smooth lines, allowing it to fit into anywhere, saving valuable counter space. A bold personality is brought to you in a compact package with the Nespresso Essenza Mini. Clean-cut lines give this small coffee machine a big presence in any kitchen. And thanks to its light, 5.1 pounds frame, it'll fit wherever you need it. With 2 programmable coffee cup sizes, the Nespresso Essenza Mini coffee machine fits any space, and any taste. Its high-pressure pump prepares either espressos or lungos, just the way you like them. To keep things moving, the Nespresso Essenza Mini coffee machine heats up in under 30 seconds. And no energy is wasted, its eco mode kicks in after 2 minutes, and it switches off after 9 minutes of inactivity. Through our AAA Sustainable Quality program, we pay above market prices for coffee, and invest in social programs such as pensions and insurance, to ensure coffee farming is a profitable business for future generations. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best built-in coffee machines list is Delonghi ECAM37095Ti Espresso Machine. Enjoy the ease of the all-new Dinamica Plus, a fully automatic espresso machine that precisely prepares 16 barista-style beverages at the touch of a button. Experience the simplistic elegance of a colorful touch display that intelligently controls a built-in conical grinder, delivering maximum freshness and flavor with every use. The new Coffee Link app levels up personalization like never before by letting you save up to 3 custom profiles complete with recipe favorites. You're just a touch away from expertly tailored coffee, tips and tricks, and even machine maintenance updates. From recipe selection to first sip, this masterful machine is built to deliver authentic espresso in the comfort of your home. The app lets you save up to 3 personalized espresso recipes in your profile, ensuring you're never more than a smart screen away from perfectly customized coffee. The app also gives you tips and tricks, and helps with machine maintenance. The intelligent system recognizes your preferences and is programmed to list your most frequently selected drinks as first on the display. For details, let's watch more.